Today I will show the recipe henna mehndi. Simple recipe but the result very nice. Sugar, henna or mehndi powder, cajeput oil. Soft water is the important thing. How to make soft water? I boiled drink water or mineral water and then let them cool, and then it's ready. Now put the sugar and then soft water and stir it. By the way, I bought cajeput oil in Indonesian store. Stirring until soft and no lumps and the consistency very nice. Not too thick and not too thin. Cover it about 4 hours or until the stain release. With soft water and no lemon, we doesn't need waiting too long. When the up surface henna is brown is meant the henna ready to use. The surface brown and inside is still green, it's mean the henna ready. You can see the different. Okay, it's ready to use. And here's the result. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.